Walaikum Assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Sir, I wanted to ask that what was the answer of question 1 E part?
Okay, I will let you tell in the physics period. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, inshallah. Don't worry for that.
The paper was easy, but that question I was having confusion. But I did wrong or right, I don't know.
Okay. So, just join quickly.
Okay, sir.
Assalamualaikum sir, I'm Kulsum.
Yes, Walaikum Assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Just open the book, chemistry book.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum Assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So, what we have to do today?
Sir, I think so. We will do
You think so?
Periodic table.
Periodic table. Okay. What I
Sir,
have posted
Sir,
yesterday. What I posted, Maria Mantasha beta, yesterday.
yes, sir.
What I posted yesterday in WhatsApp.
Sir, today we are going to discuss page number 36 and 37.
Sir, page number.
Sir, page number 36 and 37.
Okay, wait. Okay, first of all, mute everyone. Okay, I am going to ask. Yes, I am going to ask you some questions. Just mute everyone. Okay. So
Okay,
that. Okay. And do not open your mic. One by one, I ask you today. Most of the students.
Assalamualaikum sir.
Walaikum Assalam. Beta, mute yourself immediately. Yes, Anabia Shanawaz, be online. Get ready for the.
Sir, I have submitted my test.
Good, beta.
So the test was very easy.
Assalamualaikum sir.
Yes, Walaikum Assalam Rahmatullahi wa Barakatuh. Yes, students. Okay. Just tell me about what you have read in chapter number 2. Yes, Anabia Shanawaz, starting from you. Just give me a brief. Everyone, be ready. Okay.
Sir, you have taught us.
Beta, Fayyaz, are you Anabia?
No, sir.
So why are you replying?
Sorry.
Anabia, you not there?
sir, can I?
Beta, Anabia, you are not there, then I am writing your name because after calling your name several times, you are not responding. Okay. Yusuf, you there? Okay, let me write the names. Anabia and Yusuf. Okay. Yes, Sabr Abdullah. Yes, Sabr Abdullah, you there? Okay. Yes, Rashid Ali. Yes, my voice is audible to you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Audible. Audible. Yes, sir. Audible.
Okay, beta, Jazakallah.
Yes, sir.
Jazakallah for the response.
The voice is audible.
Okay, yes.
But
Ubada,
Is it test of chemistry? Sibbu
Ubada
Guli.
Ubada bin Aslam. Ubada bin Aslam, please.
Can you tell the mark?
What beta?
Sir, is it the test of chemistry?
What happened? What you are saying?
Sir, there is a test of chemistry.
Today?
Yes, sir, today.
No.
But sir, notice you have written. Sir, you said about physics. Tell the mark.
Beta, see it properly.
Today you will teach. Sir, we have completed till pure
Beta,
substance.
mute
Sir,
everyone.
today you can. नहीं हमने बारे में देखा था उसमें
Beta,
वो ना क्वालिटी गार्ड ना भूत होता है वो दिखाओ
beta, who is speaking?
Sir, Ahmad Ali Abdullah.
Okay.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
Today, Ahmad Ali and Abdullah.
Sir, by mistake.
By mistake?
Sir,
Okay.
by mistake.
By mistake, I wrote your name by mistake. Yes, Khatija Abid. Please tell me what you have read in chapter number 2.
Thank you, sir. Sorry for being late. I kept my phone on charge. Can you please repeat what
Okay,
you were
beta.
saying?
Okay. Yes, beta. Khatija Abid, you there?
Yes, sir.
Beta, please tell me about
Sir,
what.
sir, I'm married today only because
Sir,
I
today
was
you
not
will
having time.
teach mixed substance.
Beta, I know what I have to do. Okay. I'm asking what you have learned till now.
Sir, I have completed chapter 1.
Sir, we have
And
learned
now-
about matter, molecule, pure substance, classification of matter.
Sir, I was
Sir,
not
we-
having phone.
We chapter 2 we read about matter, what is matter, and what is composition of matter, what is molecules, what is atom, classification of matter.
Yes, anyone can tell me about the properties of metal?
Metal?
Yes.
Can I tell? There are the properties of metal. Metal, non-metal, metal,
Properties of matter is melts in deep ringing sound when hit by a hard object.
So can I tell the properties of matter?
Yes, you tell me.
I can tell.
Yes, beta,
Sir,
tell me.
the properties of metals are that they are usually lustrous, shiny.
Sir, anything that occupies space.
Beta, Faizan,
And
And
quiet.
they are generally good conductors of heat and electricity. And the tungsten is a poor conductor as an exception. And the first metal means the strongest metal was tungsten.
The strongest metal was?
Sir, I can tell.
Yes, beta.
Tungsten.
Sir, metal color is
And sir,
extensive. The
Mantasha, wait.
density,
Mantasha, beta, wait for a second. Yes,
volume is extensive, mass is extensive, and sir, the boiling point of matter is intensive, and the melting point of matter is intensive. So can I tell?
what are the other properties?
Sir, I have told you 6 properties of
Okay.
matter, physical properties of.
Okay.
Sir, can I tell the
So
properties
tell
of the
me,
matter?
Isma, tell me any matter which is soft.
strongest metal on the earth.
Sir, what?
Name the metal which is very soft.
There is known as a. Sir, your voice is not coming. Sir, please tell again.
Beta,
What are
mute
you saying?
everyone. What you are doing, huh? Yes.
I
Name.
can tell.
Yes, beta.
What
Tell
are
me.
you asking?
It is after 5 people.
Sir, repeat the question,
I am
please.
saying that name
please
a
repeat the
metal which is soft in nature.
And
Aluminium fine. Aluminium fine. Aluminium fine, sir.
Mute everyone.
Aluminium fine.
Please tell the question.
sir, which page?
Sir, please tell the question again.
This is the softest metal.
Yes,
This is
me
the
and
softest
the
metal.
classes in one while.
Wait for a second. You start shouting. Okay, you are not listening me. Keep shouting. Keep shouting.
Sir, yes, I will tell. I can tell.
Sir, I can tell.
Sir,
Wait
can
for
I
a
tell?
second. Wait
I
for a
will.
second.
Which you are?
Sir, can I tell?
Sir,
Wait,
which page you
wait,
are?
wait, beta. Wait for a second.
Can tell.
Sir, I
And
know.
Sir, I don't know.
okay, tell me. Tell me fast.
Sir,
Mantasha, you tell me. Mantasha. Okay, Mantasha, you tell me. If you know it.
Potassium, sir. Potassium. And sodium. Potassium, sodium, and lead.
Sir,
Yes.
Ahmad
So,
Abdullah is shouting very much.
yes,
Sir, I'm
Ahmed.
telling.
Okay, I will inform it today. I will.
not understand what you tell to
Ahmed Abdullah, I will.
question.
Ahmed Abdullah, I can report you.
I'm not shouting. I am telling you an answer. All
Okay,
are
wait.
shouting. I'm not shouting.
Okay.
He is repeating
Quiet.
word by 2 or 3 times.
let me tell the answer, Anusha Man.
Wait for a second.
And Mantasari.
Wait for a second. Yes. Ahmed,
Sir, I
yes. Ahmed Ali Abdullah, please.
want to say that.
Ahmed Ali
Sir, I
Abdullah,
want to say that.
just tell me.
Sir, I am saying that today I and Unshi are doing the classes in one mobile because her mobile is discharged.
Okay. Yes, beta. Ahmed Ali, beta. Ahmed Ali,
Sir,
can
I'm
everyone?
telling.
Okay, beta. Everyone mute. Ahmed Ali, Ahmed Ali, you tell me about what do you know about classification of matter?
So, sir, sodium and potassium.
Okay, very good. Yes, Ahmed Ali
Sir,
Abdullah.
cesium.
Ahmed
Yes,
Ali
sir.
Ahmed Ali Abdullah, you tell me beta classification of matter.
Classification of matter.
Yes, beta.
There are 3 types of classical matter are known as solid, liquid, gas.
Beta, I am
No,
asking.
sir, the classification
I am-
of matter
I am asking. I am.
classified into
Classification of matter is divided into classes.
Beta, listen. Again, you are shouting.
Sir, can I tell? Sir,
Again, you are shouting.
Sir,
What happened to you? Classification of listen to me. Classification of matter, which I told in chapter number 2. Okay, then matter is divided into 2 classes. That I want to know.
Sir, can I tell that?
Okay, you tell me.
Sir, the matter is divided into 2 types of classification. The first one is pure substances and the second one is mixture, or you can say mixed substances. In pure substances, it comes elements and compounds, and in mixture or mixed substances, it comes something named homogeneous, and the other one I don't know, sir.
Heterogeneous.
Yes, heterogeneous.
Yes, sir.
The pure substances has a means the pure substances contains the definite molecular composition, and they have the fixed properties. And the mixture substances is made up of more than two or more pure substances, and they have no fixed composition and the properties. The mixture substances are made up of different types of molecules and atoms. That's why they're known as mixed substances. And like the combination of salt and water, it's known as salty water, and flour and water is equals to dough, sugar and milk, and many more things. And the pure substances, I told the definition of pure substances. The example of pure substances are like they are made up of one type of molecules or atoms like gold, silver, or table salt or water, you can say, and sugar. There are some examples of pure substances, and that's all I know about it.
Okay,
Thank you.
very good, mashallah. Yes, beta, Ayan Zubair, be online. Beta, you please class 6 student, listen to me. You are, mashallah, your performance is very good. You are a good student, and please try to maintain, and this is a compulsory to maintain.
Sir,
The
when you
discipline.
will check our test?
Beta, I am asking what I am saying. You are again disturbing the class. Ahmad Ali, this is the way. I am seeing you since 3 or 4 days that you are not listening carefully and you are interrupting in between. I am saying that, beta, you are very sincere, mashallah. All the students are good, and why you are shouting, I don't know. Several times I gave you instructions. Several times you do mistakes. Open the camera, shouting. What happened? Okay. Yes, Ayan Zubair, please be online. Beta, I am asking particular person, so that particular student will answer me. And remain students, keep silent. Just listen what the discussion is going on. Yes, Ayan Zubair, be online. Ayan Zubair is not there. Yes, beta, Dr. Saiful Islam.
He is absent.
Okay.
He did
Yes.
not attend the.
Okay, very good. Yes, Dr. Saiful Islam. I told you yesterday in the previous classes that you have to change your name.
So I have changed my name.
Okay. Yes, Hamza Kabar, you tell me. You have be online. Hamza Kabar, beta.
Yes, sir.
Sir, how to change?
Quiet everyone.
Yes, sir.
Hamza Kabar, beta, you tell me. What do you mean by?
Sir, how to change?
Beta,
what?
I am asking you. I told this. What do you mean by definite properties of a pure substance?
Okay, sir, I'm telling. So different properties of pure substance.
Yes.
Okay, sir. The different properties of pure substance are that they
I told this in the class.
So can I tell that? If he's not able to.
Sir, I can tell.
Wait, beta. This is the way you are start shouting. I just now I told you I'm asking to that particular person. Give me a chance to wait for a second. Let him find the answer. Let him think.
Sir, I was disconnected because of network issue.
Yes, beta. Hamza Kabar, continue.
yes, sir. Sir, the definite properties of pure substance are that they can be melted or boiled, and they have a smell and taste.
Yes, beta.
Sir, they can the pure substance can be melted and they can be boiled at the 100 degrees Celsius,
Beta.
and they have some.
This is not the answer that you are telling. Definite properties means everything can be melted. So everything can be melted at 100 degree. This you are saying, na? And I am saying that what do you mean by?
Sir, only water can melt on 100 degrees.
Yes.
Yes, beta. Isma, you tell me.
What's the
Isma, beta.
question?
Isma, beta, you tell me.
Sir, what is the question? Please tell.
Okay, wait. I am saying that in pure substance, some properties characteristics are written, and one of the characteristic is definite property. So I am asking, what does it mean? Isma, are you there?
Yes, sir. Wait.
Sir, I can tell.
Yes, Fayyaz, you tell.
Sir, can I tell?
Yes, beta. Tell Mantasha.
Sir, wait. Telling. Sir,
Wait.
definite properties you are saying to a pure substance, it has a definite shape and means fixed shape like salt and sugar. And pure substance can be either a compound or element. And the sir, these all and sir. And pure substances are mostly homogeneous in nature and containing
Beta,
only one type of atoms
basically,
and
definite
molecules.
properties means they have certain fixed boiling and melting point. They have certain fixed smell also. They have certain fixed taste.
And the pure substance has fixed boiling and melting points.
Sir,
Okay.
also a substance that is a fixed.
Water have a fixed shape and all.
Yes. Yes, beta, quiet. Yes, listen to me. Listen to me. Mute everyone. I am telling you something. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Mute everyone, please. Thank you. Jazakallah. Okay. In the previous lecture, we ended the topic that elements are classified into matters, non-matters, metalloids, and inert gases. Okay. So matters.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. Okay. So matters are basically most of the elements are matters. Okay, for metal and listen to me. Don't
And are two types of
beta. Listen to me, Mantasha. Should I also tell your name that you are not following the instructions? Mute yourself. Okay. So matters and non-matters, how they distinguish? They are distinguished on the basis of the some properties. Okay. So if the material is very hard at room temperature, okay, so they are considered as matters because you know exceptions are everywhere. So some matters are soft in nature, such as it is given sodium is a metal, but it is soft. Okay, and it can be cut with the help of knife. Okay, for another thing is that most of the metals are solid. Some metals are liquid. That is, there's exception also. Mercury is a metal which exists at a room temperature. Okay, and another property of metal is that they have a very high melting point and they have a high boiling point also. For example, the tungsten metal. It is a name tungsten. It's a name of a metal. It has the highest melting point. And what is the temperature degree in degree Celsius? Temperature is 3000.
100 degrees Celsius.
Beta, tungsten. Listen to me carefully. Open the book, page number 37. It's 3422. At such high temperature, it starts melting. I am saying about tungsten metal. Okay. And
Sir, I know it.
and mercury is the melting point for mercury is very low, that is minus 39 degree Celsius. So these are the properties. So whenever these properties come in the test, you have to write the properties of metals. Another property is that, shiny substance is also called lustrous.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
metals are lustrous in
Yes,
nature. Okay, they look shiny.
Aluminium.
You see gold, silver, iron, copper, these are metals.
Yes, sir.
And they are,
Aluminium also. Aluminium, coppers.
and so their surfaces are shiny. So they are called as luster. Okay, you
Answer
see
ductile.
What? Then what is
ductile.
the meaning of they are ductile?
Okay, I am telling you, beta, Mantasha, tell me one thing. Beta, everything required patience. You know that? Just wait. I am coming to that point also. Okay, beta,
Sir?
Mantasha,
Then what is the meaning of lustrous?
shiny. Shiny surface, shiny
Then
appearance.
malleable.
Huh? Okay, I am telling you ductile. Okay, you see wires. Okay, wires in your homes, they are made of coppers, aluminiums. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
aluminium wire, copper wire used in our homes for electricity purposes. So
Yes,
the
sir.
quality, the characteristic of metal is that they can ductile. It means that they can be stretched into thin wires. Okay, they can be stretched into thin wires. So this is one of the very important property of metal. Is it clear?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Figure is
Yes,
there.
sir. Clear.
Beta figure is there on page number 37.
Sir, I have one query.
Yes, beta, ask. Tell
Sir,
me.
what is meaning of Bunsen?
Bunsen, what is written?
Sir, on. Sir, wait.
Beta, mute. Ubada, mute. Ubada, mute everyone. Mute everyone.
intergases? Sir, what is?
Beta, I
Sir,
am coming to that
I
also.
cannot understand.
What? What I am
Sir,
telling
I
you.
have query.
What I am telling you, you are getting that?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, wait for it. I will come to the next topic also. Wait for it.
Yes.
The property of ductile means they can be stretched into thin wires. Okay. And
Okay, sir.
malleable
Okay, sir.
means they can be beaten into sheets. The figures are there on page number 37, figure 2.5. Okay. In A, the metals are lustrous and malleable. Means you see aluminum foil which are used for wrapping the things, wrapping the food or wrapping other things.
Yes,
also.
sir.
So,
We
What
also
chapter?
wrap the
okay.
wrap
So,
the
used to wrap
very,
food.
very good.
and
So as
wrap
you know
the
that aluminum
chapati. Why we have to put the chapati? Because it's have. Why we have put anything in this aluminium foil, sir?
Because it produces heat.
It keeps the things warm.
The
The copper is a good conductor of heat and electricity.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We have put
That is good
chapati in
conductor of
that.
heat and
Then
electricity.
It's
Aluminium.
been
yes.
so
This
it's
is why
been
we
hot,
used
so
to
that
keep
is why the
chapati
chapati
with
has been
aluminium.
same.
Yes, wait for a second. Okay. Yes, beta.
Sir, what is meaning of broom?
Yes.
Broom in
So what is the meaning of beaten?
Beaten means
Beaten into
Classification of matter.
and
We are
malleable.
having certain classification of matter. We are having two groups: pure substance and mixed substance. So please
Yes,
tell
sir.
me pure substance.
yes, beta. Beaten means if you hammer something, okay, that can be changed into sheet form. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, on page number 39, sir,
Please
here,
tell me pure
Sir, here-
substance.
sir, here periodic table is there, sir. We have to learn it. Sir,
Sir, it's muted. Sir, there is modern trade.
Yes.
sir, on
Sir,
page
the-
number 39.
Sir, there
sir, here
are
periodic
on page
table
number
is there, sir.
39.
Sir, we have to write in copy, sir, this.
Beta, I am just asking, I am just telling about matters and non-matters. Okay, just follow it. Okay, when I'm moving to that part, I will tell
Sir,
you
please
later.
tell me pure substance.
Beta, this topic is clear to you. Read it again, and if you have any query, then you
Sir, I
ask.
cannot understand this
Yes, sir.
metals.
Okay, anything which having the properties which I just told you, having high melting point.
Sir, can
which
you
can-
tell this metal?
What beta?
Some metals on page number 36, last paragraph.
Matters last, they are generally good conductors of heat and electricity. This part,
So page number 36,
36,
last paragraph.
most
have to
most
learn
known
the
metals.
periodic table.
Sir,
Yes,
so
beta.
mercury is also conductor of electricity. Mercury.
Mercury beta is basically a metal and it has an exceptional property. Okay, what is the exceptional property? This question several times comes in the examination. That what is the characteristic of mercury? As it is a metal, it has a characteristic of non-metal, that is liquid at the room temperature. So this is the only metal which is at liquid at room temperature. Okay. So beta, you can start revising this thing. Okay. And listen and yes, read non-metal. Yes, Abdul Samad, read the paragraph non-metal. Hydrogen